Here's a brief overview of FilingStack Accounting software. Once we sign up, the first thing we can do is add a company or entity. We can do that by clicking on Add Entity. Once we've entered the entity's details, we can select the entity by clicking on the entity's name on the info page. Thereafter, if we'd like to add an invoice, we can click on Add Invoice. We can then enter details for the invoice. And thereafter, once the invoice has been added, we can go to the invoices added page where we can enter product details or view the invoice or email the invoice to a client. We can also save our client contact details on the businesses added page, and we can save products or services that we may be offering on the products added page. Thereafter, we can pre-populate the invoice with our client's contact details or product details that we've already added. We can email the invoice to a client, or we can save the invoice and thereafter send it to a client. We can also upload bank statements for our business or for a company that we may be doing accounting for on the accounts page. On the accounts page, we can add a bank account. We can then upload the bank statements for that bank account in the CSV file format. Once we've uploaded the bank statement, we can then allocate all of the transactions on that bank statement. Once all of the transactions have been allocated, we can then view the trial balance, which is automatically generated. There are also other reports that are automatically generated. For example, we can view each of the accounts on the trial balance page by clicking on the account, and this will then redirect us to the ledger for that account. We can also view the income statement for the business and a monthly income statement showing the income and expenses per month. We can also view the balance sheet for the business added. There are also other reports that are automatically generated, such as the statement of cash flow. We can also add journal entries for the entity. We can also export the trial balance if we're going to be uploading it onto another software. There are also options to easily allocate transactions, such as allocating transactions simultaneously through this Edit All button or through automatically allocating transactions through the Link button. We can also generate basic financial statements and view those financial statements on the AFS page. Another feature FilingStack offers is the option to convert PDF bank statements into the CSV file format, and this is available on the Convert PDF page. If we click on Convert PDF, we can then upload a PDF bank statement and convert it to CSV via this tool that is available. We also have detailed documentation available on the documentation page.